In this tutorial, we are going to adding a layer in QGIS. There is many options to adding a layer in the workspace of QGIS. Let's see. There is first option. Go to browser and give the path of database where you store in your computer. So my data store in app file, so I'm navigating to app file. Let's see. So this is the Landsat 8 data. We can see that there is band number 1, 10, 11, 2. So these are the band number. By selecting all these layer, export layer, select, add selected layer to project. When we choose this option, so these all layer adding to our QGIS workspace. So we can see that in our workspace there is layer added. We can here also see these are the layer which we add to our workspace. We can minimize these layer by these options. This is the first way to adding the layer in our workspace. Now we are going to see another way to adding layer in our QGIS workspace. Let's remove all these added layer. Remove layer. Okay, removed. Another way to add layer in our workspace, go to layer, add layer. Here choose option vector layer or raster layer. So we know the difference between vector and raster layer. Vector layer is in the form of points, line and polygon, but raster layer some kinds of tile format or containing lots of pixels in a raster. Data contain matrices of pixels or cells. So satellite data in the format of raster layer. So we click into raster layer, add raster and give the location or path where we store our data. So these are the Landsat data. So by selecting open, so we can see here this is the path of data where it is stored. So add and close. So we can see that layer is added to our workspace. So this is the another way of adding layer in our workspace. Let's see how vector layer we can add and how it will appear in raster layer. So add vector, give the path of your vector layer where you stored. So I stored my vector layer in discrete shape file. So this is the shape file of Panna district MP. So we are going to add this shape file in our QGIS work window. Add, close. So we see that this is the shape file. Here is some problem occur. This tile from different place and Panna district situated slightly left side of this tile. That means satellite capture this place and it is contain little bit space of Panna district also. If we want to this layer appear in full tile of satellite data, so we need to select this raster data of the same place because raster file and vector file both are georeferenced. So it is necessary to select raster and vector layer of the same place. So these are the method of adding layer from our device or computer system. There is some another method of adding layer using internet or some other means. Let's see. Let's delete all these layers. Remove layer. Okay, go to browser and WMST. Open this option. Here we see LULC and GeoServer Web. So by opening this, we see there is so many options of layer. If this option do not appears in your QGIS browser panel, so you need to first add this from Bhuvan portal or some other. That process we see in another tutorial. Here I am going to adding land use and land cover data of any district of Madhya Pradesh, MP. This is the MP Guna LULC V2. Guna Bhopal. We are going to add LULC data of Bhopal. There is other data also present, but we are adding here LULC data of Bhopal. Let's see. Bhopal. Add to project. By choosing this option, after some time we see LULC data layer of Bhopal will appear in our workspace window. It takes some time. You see, this is the LULC data of Bhopal. By scrolling our mouse, we can zoom or zoom out in this layer. If we add any layer, so going to layer option, we see the layer will appear here. This is the land cover land classification data. That's why every color has some types of classification. As red color built up urban area, so this is the Bhopal area. That's why this is red color, because there is so dense urban area, and this is the lake. So this is the another way adding layer from some other option other than our computer system. Let's delete this layer from workspace, and now we are going to add OpenStreetMap in our work window. Go to XYZ tiles. Here OpenStreetMap. Add to project. So by clicking that option, we see OpenStreetMap appears in our workspace. By zooming out, we see Bhopal area. By OpenStreetMap, we can select our study area or some other types of digitization or forming shape file and other types of necessary file. So these are the options of adding layers in QGIS. If you have any queries, please ask.